Make money with data annotation jobs tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about data annotation and how earn money from it. For people who don't know what data annotation is the process of labeling or tagging data with metadata, descriptors, or annotations to provide context, meaning, or structure to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating labeled data sets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points this with specific attributes or categories, such as bounding boxes for subject detection, text classification levels, sentiment analysis levels, or speaker identities for audio data. So, data annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines and standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamline the annotation process, facilitating collaboration among annotators and enabling the creation of high quality labeled datasets that power various AI applications, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. So, without any special skills, you can earn money on Fiverr through data annotation involves offering your services as a freelancer to annotate or label data for clients who require assistance with their projects. The only thing you have to do is simple. Create a Fiverr account and then you will start offering your services. As you can see, here we have a small number of offers comparing with other services. So you can find other service like for example graphic design, logo design, and you will find here over 240,000 results. I mean over 240,000 offer. So that's mean here the competition is really strong. And you can see for example another one. So let's see article and blogs post. As you can see here we will find the same thing. So we have here over 51,000 results. I mean over 51,000 of offers. So the only thing you have to do to start as a data annotator, you can just sign up on Fiverr. So you can open your web browser, and then you will type fiverr.com. It will lead you to this home page. As we can see, there's two ways to start here or dive into data annotation. We can just click here AI services, or you can just scroll down and you will find the services. And then here is the data analysis. So this is data annotation. So as you can see here we have our results. You don't have to need any advanced coding skills. If we scroll down over here, you can see that it's possible to earn money by offering these services. As you can see here, we have the minimum amount is $5, and you can find $10. You can find $15, $35, and why not? You can find $100. So it's depend on how much services you offer and how much time you need to finish it. So all you have to do is try to know the basic thing about data annotation, and then you can start as a data annotator just after learning the basic thing, and then you will get your first offer with or selecting your amount and time, and also you will select how much bounding boxes. So to more understand, let's see this example. As you can see, this is it. So this is a data annotator This is the title. I will tag, annotate, and label your images to bring AI to life. So as a data annotator, it will be your task is labeling items, images, as example, or videos by marking these objects or drawing circles, squares around them for charge. It's the basic one, it's $5 for 400 bounding boxes delivery in 1 day, and for the standard one is $40 for 3,600 bounding boxes delivery in 2 days, and the premium one, the most expensive, it's $125 for 10,000 bounding boxes delivery in 6 days. So here we have the details, so you can find the same offer, but you cannot find the same details. As we can see here, and we have how much bounding boxes and what is the amount and delivery. Let's compare these details with other one. So here we have another data annotator. As you can see, for the premium one, it's $200 instead $125, and for the delivery it's 5 days instead 6 days delivery, and for the bounding boxes it's the same, so you can not find the same thing. It's depend on how much time you need to finish this job and how much bounding boxes you can get. So this is how data annotation works. You can learn information or um, get information from a lot of platform. You can just research for data annotation and you can learn the basic thing. Then you can start. You don't have to learn a special skills or any advanced coding skills as I mentioned. So there's a other platform, so it's like Fiverr. Here we have ODUB, the name of platform. So you can earn money here too by becoming a data annotator. So you can just select over here, become a freelancer, and then you will start. So other platform is Toluca, so you can start as a Toluca by clicking here, login, and I am ready to earn money. Then you will start as a data annotator or as a freelancer, or we can say Toluca. Or you can start with Google or with Facebook, and then you will start getting jobs, getting offers, and you will start earning money. So this is, or these three platforms are just example. There is a lot of platform you can earn money from it, and as a data annotator. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.